Hi Virgo, this is your monthly reading for the month of May. I'm going to look at your energies, very clear energies here. So, what I am seeing right now is the Seven of Wands and the Eight of Swords. So, as you enter into the month of May, what's happening to you? This is for the Virgo sun sign and the ascendant sign, that what's happening here is you are in the Seven of Wands and the Eight of Swords. So Seven of Wands and the Eight of Swords means that you could be under pressure, you could be under criticism, you could be under other people's influence, which is not so positive. So what happens is you are defending yourself, you could be defending yourself, and you could be feeling that people are not trusting your judgment, or people would not trust your judgment. So you are overly defensive, you are trying to make sure that you do not fall under anybody's influence or pressure. So you are on the higher ground with the Seven of Wands in a warrior energy. You were so unprepared that you had this difficulty in taking up this matter, whatever it is, a decision regarding a situation. So you could be feeling a bit self-limited in this time period, but you are doing fine. And in the month of May, you are starting like this, trying to preserve your identity, preserve your supremacy in a situation. And that's happening with the Eight of Pentacles, which is in your environment. So Eight of Pentacles environment could be new work coming in, that could be challenging. There could be office situation and you have to adapt in onto a new training. You could be sent on a training or to learn something new. You are embracing this energy and you will be working sincerely and diligently. That is what I am seeing. So with the in terms of your love situation, you have to make more effort, or relationships, maybe in your household it is general relationship, or with a lover you have to work harder. So basically truths will happen. There will be negotiation where you will be able to make people come into reach an agreement with you. Or what I am seeing is that you will try to engage with people to reach a situation where you are in balance. So you will compromise, you will try to reach an agreement, or you will try with the Temperance card, you will use your patience. So with the Page of Cups, situation will improve, someone will come in, say sorry, or try to make some kind of a truce with you, definitely, which you are also going to do. So with the Lovers card, there will be a choice or harmony coming back to you within this month. Maybe by the time you reach the period of Gemini, that is after May 20, what I am seeing is things will start becoming better. And however, by that time you will be going through some kind of sadness, you could be feeling some type of loss in your relationships or in your job situation. But with the King of Swords and the King of Cups energy, who are these people around you, there will be some kind of truce or negotiations which will take place. This could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, the King of Cups, and King of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Or what I am seeing is you will be taking up these energies. You could be having air or water in your chart, and you will be using your acumen in terms of your intellectual energy and your emotional intelligence to work this situation out, which is causing you to be defensive. So in terms of your job situation, what I am seeing is the Tower, but the Tower is opening up with the Seven of Cups and the Eight of Wands. So Seven of Cups, Eight of Wands after the Tower can mean that there is a possibility that in your work environment, in your business, in your studies, something is getting disturbed. So there is this sudden disturbing energy which is coming in. It is displacing you, taking you by surprise, but this is opening up situations of progress. So with the Eight of Wands, this could be a travel, this could be a fast travel, fast information, fast situations moving into a new direction. With the Seven of Cups, this can mean that opportunities or options can come up in your life, which will give you some choices, which with the Lovers card, it could be a choice that you have to make within this month. That could be causing some kind of overwhelming situation for you. So what's overall happening in your career situation is the Empress and the Death card. So Death card is the clarification of the Empress. So this means that progress will happen, and progress will happen naturally if you nurture whatever is in front of you, because something is over. So do not get into a emotional or a sorrow period in a situation. Something is slipping out of your hand, something is getting over, a situation will be totally over for you in your career situation, in your career aspect. So career could be business, career could be employment, career could be studies. So something is getting over, but with the Empress there will be an energy of forward movement, progress or growth. Some of you could be having a child in this time period, so you could be restricted from going to office maybe. For some of it, this is for minuscule population of some women. So there is this tower energy which is around you in your environment, but towers are not always bad. They bring in new energies where you rebuild. So in your environment, the eight of Pentacles in your environment tells me that you will be rebuilding. You will be rebuilding, embracing new situations in the month of May, and that is going to bring in progress. In terms of your love life, you are going through some betrayals with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, or a Capricorn in your life, or a Pisces in your life. But this can also mean that a painful situation had occurred and you have decided to let go of this situation with this Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a with the Knight of Wands. This could be a person who has departed. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. So anybody could be, any sign could be around you. So what's happening with them is a situation that was sticky, a situation that was of betrayal or loss, but you have decided to keep quiet and you have decided to sacrifice this energy of stickiness or toxicity. You are going to take a break with the Four of Swords, or in the month of May you will decide to take a break from this energy that causes temptation, as well as it causes a situation that is really bad for you. So you will decide, you will change your perspective regarding this person, and someone is not committing to you maybe. So you will decide to take a break and think about it and change your perspective about this situation and be more realistic, because something is not giving you enough satisfaction in terms of your love life. So it could be love life, it could be a friendship, it could be marriage, or it could be relationship with parents or children. So it could be anything, something important in your close relationships. You will decide to let go of that, decide to think about it, take time out in this time period. So in terms of health, very slowly and steadily your health will improve. That is what I am saying. Knight of Pentacles card in your health situation means only that. So this means that your health will improve, but very, very slowly. So if you are going through health situation, it is going to change, but it will change very slowly. So you need to work hard, you need to take care, you need to be practical about your health situation, and not think that you are all okay. You have to take care of yourself. In terms of your obstacle in this month, it is the Hierophant. So always trying to do your duties, always trying to maintain your higher moral ground, always trying to keep up the traditions are not going to work for you. So obstacle is over advised by people, over advised by what you have learned so far, what is your traditional mindset. You'll be challenged by that. So basically you got to listen less to others, you got to work on unconventional methods, or accept the new or accept a change in this time period. Old fashioned ways or traditionalism will not work in this time period. In terms of your outcome, that's why what's coming to you is the High Priestess and the Three of Pentacles, which is clarified by the Hermit. So the Hermit is the card of Virgo. It is Virgo related. So the Virgo related card, what does it mean? So the Hermit means that you need to light up the next step. You need to withdraw from too much noise. So basically the Hierophant is your obstacle. So Hierophant obstacle is listening to everybody else, listening to what is conventional, doing what is conventional. So something is not getting done by doing that. So what you need to do is to withdraw. You need to take time out. You need to light up your next step, fix your priority, work on your own wisdom, and do not listen to others. You have your own counsel. So that is what is the High Priestess. So High Priestess is gut energy. High Priestess, it tells us that you got to look within for answers, and your answer is to collaborate. Your answer is to look at the shared goals. Your answer is to be in contact with people, take help if it is required. Do not do everything all alone. Do not be under pressure all alone. That is what angels are telling you. So you have to take help, but you have to take help very discerningly. You have to get your answers from within. You have to also withdraw from energies or close people if you want to make your own decisions and make it well, or make it in an informed manner. So let's read out the Lenormand for this month. So I'm afraid the Lenormand card which has come for you is a bit tricky. It is the Broom and the Whip card. So the Broom and the Whip card is about confusion, incomprehension, and futile discussion in family or around you. So close your ears to gossip or unnecessary advice. Keep going straight. So exactly what your reading is saying. Don't let anyone condition your values or projects. So that is your Hierophant obstacle. So don't let anyone condition your values or projects. A month fraught with small frustrations, disputes, and claims on the work front. So someone could be taking away your credit. Someone could be over, mothering you in your career. So don't trust a young or seemingly willing and available colleague. He or she will try to outshine you and cause you a host of problems. So it is a possibility that you could be around such people. So you have ended a professional relationship, maybe for disagreeing with a manager. Maybe for some of you are going through depressing work atmosphere. Severity is out of place. Some of you unexpectedly will see an absurd claim that will reveal a sensible starting point. However, some of you will be affected or impacted by inexpert colleague, which will cause you a few problems. In terms of money, economic loss caused by someone who takes advantage of your goodwill. Tension in family because of someone who is overspending your money. Unexpected encounter with someone who is hiding merciless rivalry. So in terms of your love life or relationship, you could be in relationship with someone who does not deserve you, and it's high time that you take a break from them to change your mind. your partner's whims gets on your nerves, and discussions due to his excessive spending could be taking place. Slight misunderstanding and futile discussions which are not too dangerous, but they are happening right now. So misunderstandings could be happening. What you need to do is to let time heal that. Best is to, you know, take yourself away from that, and definitely situations will change, because I am seeing the Two of Cups and the Temperance card. So Two of Cups is talking with someone, talking it out, and Temperance is with patience. So patience will help you. Patience will help you. Downtime or in out time from close relationships will help you to make decisions in your life which are deeper than smaller decisions. So Virgo, if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can always contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. So decide and then write to me through this email ID which I talked about. And keep watching this space. I'll be bringing more readings for you. Bye bye.